Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Nightingale again. Now, last episode we built this, and we went for a walk down there. Now if you look at the top of the screen up here, there's a home signal here, which you probably saw pop up in the last episode. This is our home beacon. And the other one over there is a place where you can play your cards, which some of them affect the realm, and I actually don't know what the other ones do. But yeah, I was watching my dad play. He plays this game. Yeah, it's quite cool. Yeah, but from watching him I learned what these do and stuff. But yeah, so today we're going to be finding that trader in the top right up here. There's a quest where we have to go to a sewing bench from an essence trader. I don't know why, but apparently, yep. I didn't know that M pulls up a map. There you go. That's not what it's called, is it? Realm Walker. No, where is it? There, that thing there. That's what it's marked for. I've named it as a place where you can play cards, but for some reason it doesn't say that. I don't know why. Wait, does it say home up here? No, it just says the same thing. Weird. Anyway, let's see if we can find the trader. Well, him in the base. Essence trader, there we go. So we want to go over there, which is that way. So let's get going. And hopefully don't die again. Why am I still carrying the bullets? Oh yeah, apparently there's guns in the game. Not that one. Let's put it in there. Alright, let's get going. Let's go. Oh yeah, these are quartz, and the obsidian looking ones are... Oh, what's it? Tin. Tin ore. Oh, goodness. Oh, hey, that's new. I haven't seen that one. I don't know what this one is. What is this one? Okay, I'll fall through it. What is this? There you go. Oh, it's more tin. Huh, okay, so that's tin, and the black one is also tin at the same time. That doesn't make any sense. But again, it kinda does. Yeah. What's it? Time lapse, that's it. Alright, time lapse. Whoa, okay, here we go. Die. One down. Ooh. That's two. Okay. We're nearly there anyway. Don't mind the meat. What's this place? Oh, it's another robot hand. Wait, is it really a giant robot? Because I think... Where was the other one? Yeah, because the other one's over there. It is quite big. I don't know, it'd be really cool if it was a giant robot. Probably is. Oh, chest. Raw gem. Sharp fire. And another healing potion. Nice. I think it's that place we're looking for. Yeah. Right. Anyway, nearly there. See you over there. Alright, we're here now. Let's see. Add fellow survivor. What did that mean? Where's the entrance? People! Wait. The company. Lena. What? What? Oh, what are you doing here? A survivor nearby needs your aid in completing oh my god. Can I not just read, game? I ain't got no stamina. Die, 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 die. I can't attack. There we go. My goodness. Don't even know why they followed. Need your aid completing a structure help. Help them complete the structure for reward. Indeed, let's us begin. Is that another quest or dunno? Ah, oh. Ah, visitor, you're the only fine soul we've happened upon in this realm, and your appearance is a most welcome surprise. Who might you be? I am a refuge of the Calmity, new to these realms and trying to survive. I'm not in the habit of... Okay, that's a no. You're speaking with the Realm Walker extraordinary. I don't know. Let's get that one. Oh, of course. I should have seen it right away. A talented, traveller realm walker is just what I had hoped to find. There are a great many new faces in the realm as of late, with the great many stories to tell. Collecting such stories is my trade, you see. Oh, the highlight is making it hard to read. What is it? Wellman says columnist for Nightingale's finest paper. The Sunday Courier overjoyed to make your acquaintance, I don't know. Now, if you're in need of more metal service, nourishment, equipment, protection, I'm certain my companies are here can provide. We've always time for new customers. You mentioned protection. You're from Nightingale City. I've only just fled the calamity. Do you know what happened on Earth? Can you tell me anything about the Pale? Do these merchants work for Sunday Courier? as well. Have you heard any rumours lately? That's all for now. Let's get that. That I did, my esteemed colleague here is always looking for work, and I'm sure they're about somewhere. They're quite sort, but I'm sure you'll find them to be a compatible combatant builder. My goodness, builder, roastabout, whatever you might require, and I imagine they'll be quite willing to accompany you once their work here is finished. That seems quite reasonable question. Why should I consider with their work? Can't I play them and be off? For goodness sake, why does it do this every time? Well, not every time, but when you're asking things about with them. Find survivors. Find survivors. Realm walkers can find other survivors to help them in their search for Nightingale. Recruiting survivors. By completing tasks for them, you will be able to recruit them in your party. How can they help you? Recruited survivors can help you harvest resources, build structures, carry things, and fight off enemies. Equipping equipment. Realmwalkers may also elect to equipment survivors with better equipment to better brave the dangers of the realm. Managing container permission. You may enable the use of storage containers for survivors by changing the permission in each container. Of course, if no one here is your liking, there are plenty of compatible wanderers in the realm, left merchants by trading, and more than willing to offer their arm in exchange for a realmwalker's side. And having seen much of the wilder realms, I'm sure they've reached each some fine tales we could pray out once you bring them back here. Any new traffic, no matter how meek, is good for business after all. You're from Nightingale City. I've only just fled from the Calamity City. Do you know what happened on Earth? Can you tell me anything about the Pale? Do these merchants work for the Sunday Courier City as well? Have you heard any rumours lately? That's all for now. Let's go for that one because that's got a highlight on it. You'd like to hear something a bit more current? I can most currently indulge you. Of course, I'm sure reasonable realm walkers like yourself can understand that if such turbulent times, I simply cannot play my trades for free. I'll just have a little peek at the echoes in that hermetic guidebook of yours in return. the chance to peek directly into another's thoughts is one I would relish. Have you heard tell of anyone not out in the realm? Never mind. Yeah, I'm not. I'd rather not. Let's get one. Indeed I am. Few other cities provide quite the same oh my god, that looks like delicious. Unless it is delecans? I'm gonna say delicious, I don't know. Foda from my work. Do you know of any way back to the city? I had something else to ask. Sadly no, though I'd love to put my gathered tales to print. All the usual routes to Nightingale have been lost. With the portal networks sundered, we're tossed to all manner of unexpected realms, and all rarely the same once twice makes navigation quite the pain. Yet demand for compass and merchant is even ever growing. You're from Nightingale City. If only just fled. Oh, that one. Can you tell me anything about Pale? Do these merchants work for Sundown? Have you heard any rumours lately? That's all for now. I've done that one. I think I've done that one. Unless it's got those three, because I thought I asked three. I'll do that one, because that's the enemy. The fog pouring forth from Pyri's transit to destroy our earthly home. I could recount to you all many of solutions description, but the contractions are as plentiful as those who fled in it, and I've yet to choose a favourite. I can at least say with some currency that it does something quite dreadful to a fellow non who entered where ever seen energy. Okay, I'm gonna do that for. That's it for now, because you can get back into it, right? Yeah. And I would also like to continue sitting there talking for like an hour. Well, probably not an hour, but I'm guessing you guys would like to see continue. Speak with cancel. Ah, here we go. Right, where was it? Wrong card, like that one? Nope. Saw table. Was it that one? Or was it in there? Saw table, paper, roll. Nope. It was a sawing table. It's the same thing. Sewing bench, here we go. Sewing bench. How do I buy? Buy. There we go. Simple enchanter's focus. And that's that. What else is there? Ah, right, can we get ammo? Where's the bow? There. Sling bow, simple rock marble. Oh! That's the bullets. Ah, okay, so I can make them. Alright. Recruit survivor. You. Why can I not interact with you? Okay. Not you. Do I have to talk through you the whole time? Oh no, I have to do all this, don't I? Yeah. Sticks, plant fiber, rocks. Okay. I will be back in a sec. I'm just gonna go over here and go collect things. So just collect this stuff, and then hopefully I can build some stuff for them. Maybe recruit her, or one of those up there. If I can recruit the trader, that'd be amazing, because then I can bring them home. If you can, though, I do not know. That. I don't have rocks. That. Right, need rocks. Rocks should be over here. Also, I figured out the run button. Unfortunately, you can't do shift as run, so I've just got it as an old run button that I used to use all the time, which is R. Annoyingly, you have to hold it down. It's not a push one, so it is going to be a bit annoying. R, and when you weighted it down, you cannot run. But that's okay, as long as I can still walk. I've been walking many times in my game time because I've not learnt how to run until just now. Ah, ooh, that's cool. Magic chest. Ooh, take those. Don't mind if I do. Okay, that's cool. Can I talk to you now? I can, no. There we go. For hire, recruit learner. There we go. Unlock a antiquarian card. Do I talk to you to get that? Wrong card. Antiquarian card. Explorer card. Are there more cards in here? Fest card. Anger card. No. So, how do I... What is it called? Antiquarian card. Unlock schematic. Acquire major card. Do I buy it? Like, from a different thing? Resource. Oh, you can buy resources. You can buy potion. Water bottle? Okay. I might get that, because it's actually fairly cheap and I can afford it. So I've gotten all that. This, though... Smelter... Simple water... Spin wheel... Mercenary... And saw table. And that's construction... Light... Chandelier... Table lamp... All that. Realm card and then simple items. Simple mule... Fishing rod... Umbrella. I've already got that. Okay. Oh, unlock saw table, smelter, mortar station. Saw table, smelter, mortar station. Actually, I might just buy it all because it's actually... I think I can afford it. Where'd it go? Sewing... Here. Oh. Wait, what? How much do I have? Oh wow, that goes down faster than I thought that did. Okay. Never mind, I'm not going to buy much. Okay. That's that done. However, to get that card, I do not know. Oh, that's cool. You following? Oh, yeah. I might go home, build this stuff so I can use it. And then I'm going to... Wait, have I done that? Oh, you've done that. I wonder if I can enter that cave yet. Because I was talking to my dad about that, about the entrances. You know how that cave was blocked and I couldn't enter? Okay, fine, I won't carry that. Apparently your gear level has, like, gear level up here, which is all your gear, has to be a high enough level so that you can enter it, which means I'm not a high enough level in gear, which means I can't enter it, which is why I still couldn't enter it and just shoved me away from the door. So I'm gonna go back to that door, see if it's high enough, see if I can enter, and then if I can, I'm gonna go back home, build this stuff, and then get prepared to go and then go back in. Except I don't actually remember. Actually, wait, it should show up, shouldn't it? Because it was a little building thing. Yeah, there. Oh, beacons. That one. And I don't need to do that. Okay. It doesn't show up on the map, does it? No. So that way. And then home's over there. All that. What are you smacking? Statue. Time lapse. Okay. I walked like 5 steps. I was just over there. Before I found this. Alright, here we go. More cursive. I believe I may have found the answer to a great conundrum of we drites thought I have spent my life toiling these long years alone in the realms, searching for sprites, speaking to them as I am able. There are a great many that have remembered even beyond my grasp. Continued Bucker Elder Etten. Where's that? Etten. They turned their backs to me, deafed to my pleas, yet I hear tell of spirituals by the name of Ledovin St. Clear roaming some distant swamp antiquarian realm. She works beside both hermetics and my fellow druds, and have made incredible strides where I have fled, trailing a curious woman. In Italy, I debated here legitimacy, challenges about to threaten the legacy of the old ways, but now I stand convinced she is protag... Pro... I can't see... What is that? Pratina of Lucina Voodoo. Voodoo. I don't know why I find that word funny sometimes. Something beyond the scope of my knowledge, through it intrigues me greatly. Her beliefs, be striking. My goodness, cursive. Resemblance. Oh my goodness, I cannot read cursive. Resemblance, I think. Resemblance to my own focusing substantial of common with Sir Pitt's, where we have our criminal dress, floor, drawn symbols, ritual dance to, so to do the voodoo in this, I hear Ludovine may even utilize methods abundantly abandoned by dreads mayhaps I keep an ear out for further rumors, see what more I can learn. There we go. My goodness. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna stop there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.